Dark and stormy night, it always starts. The nothing bright. In this light, a jewel sparks, the first spark of the first jewel, and now we begin. And in towards and within we rise and fall inside, always falling backwards. Remember, this is not our world, this is not our light, this is not our rules, this is not our time, this is a different fabric from the beginning. This is not at all the physics you know or the familiar in it. No, this is from a world divided. This is from a dark place compared to our light. Yeah, right. This is a perfect place, but full of darkness. This is a perfect light, though. This contains all things. It is the nothing backwards solidified, a simple circle of unknowable size. It has no relative, it has no divide, but into a crystal form it divides inside this simple pattern that is found within one tangent line from the zero of the Brahman, the all things and in kind. This simple line extends into this set of universes where solidified again this zero has become a crystal inside the network of the physics in which contain in towards this bubbled ritual of this insane fantasy that is not. It is beamed into my brain and mine alone, and from it I have sown from a small child these seeds, these simple things, these stories, these simplicities of words in black and white. And so I impart in you the night, this prequel's prequel, after the prequel just stolen, after the prequel's stolen, in order to make the prequel even more swollen, since TikTok wants to think it can own my story. Fuck the algorithm, this is mine. It's shredded it to nothingness, testing for if it's gonna make the money. No, it won't. It's mine. Go steal the words. I write again. Go fuck yourself. You broke the laws. Now it's mine. Look within. I only need a few people to hear this, but I want you to listen tight. This is a true story beamed into my mind. It started on a dark and stormy night, and inside a dying planet, created from a shard of this crystal that contains a divine essence unique to its shard, and inside this shard the words, "War Wizard." Not dark as night, purple, broken, sore, and bruised. Ares' twin, as if the god of war, the essence of all gods of war that exist, bound into one giant screaming fist and one extended pinky finger pointing. Get that guy. That one. That god of war. That one. That one exists in this many worlds, but not inside this one, this peaceful, dying place, this rock, this space, in which dwells the story. No, not Dell, not a hobbit tale. This is about two twins, two men, two fists, two strong and bright, one bright of mind, one strong of body. One blue jewel rests inside their mind and in between their eyes and on their mantled forehead, and from it can extend a beam, a powerful extension of things, a gift. It can lift, it can bend, it can stretch, it can crush, it can move things, it can switch around and see in not time but in each other's minds, it can read and see each gift. Think her twice, but quiet, nice, but honest, and sharp, always gives the best truths forward. Plans a simple path, can't see ahead, but thinks and looks around, feels like no one feels. And each twin has each gift, but the other one just strong as sin itself. Both can heal, both can just crush rock to dust. After they became adults, after a few hundred years at least, or maybe a few thousand then, they don't count. They don't see sun. It's just an empty world. The fog, the mist, the only light they see. This world was born from a broken integrity. This is The trap, the shard, the world. The world is inside the shard is inside the world. Dedicated to this other god of combat. First line, immortal, invincible, unstoppable. God damned and near omniscient. Can just see it snapped. And action blasts destroy all things. Not as good as this, that. All that shard was. War wizard. See it all. Could have cast the spells, sees all the magic, sees the ways. Would rather just raise his own hell. That shard, this world, the same. The dance inside the mirror, the event horizon reflecting all other things inside the outside, decided to implore the mists of creation inside as fabric bent inward, backward, not consciously, just the fear echoing inside the event horizon of the things as they feel, the echoing strings, the sympathetic veil between, rewrote the history and created some kind of rock, some essence of water, some sense of fire, some limits of air, etc., but fairly barren, no true life, shadow puppets made of earth, like human, built of strange sand, more mist but solid, like a dream itself. Anyway, here's part one. Be honest with yourself. Conquer the world within, or to be written again.